I cultivate inner stillness, and my health flourishes in that stillness. I know unresolved stress and trauma create disease and cancer in the body. I intentionally take great care to release stress in healthy ways. Knowing what the repercussions can be, I don't allow stress to overcome me. I practice acceptance of what is. I love to get out in nature. I feel the warm sun against my skin. I am revitalized. I deliberately avoid listening to news, media, or fear mongering. I look out for my nervous system. I choose peace over fear. I understand that what I focus on grows, so I focus on wellness, harmony, and love.